Welcome to SciTech AI Utopia. Today I am going to address the no AI movement that bullies many people everywhere and can become one of the biggest obstacles in the development of science and technology. All these images have been created using AI, by the way. I am an active supporter and tester of many different AI tools that keep coming every day. I have also created thousands of anime images, by the way. I am pretty sure no artist on this planet would be willing to create them for me without asking for tons of money. Won't create bad images for trillions of years to come, of course. It is up to humans. They can do what they want with the tool. AI algorithms transform pixels into masterpieces, bringing forth a new era of creativity. They aren't just pushing the boundaries of what we consider art, they are also creating a flourishing marketplace. Even some artists are embracing AI as a powerful tool in their creative process. These artists use AI to augment their own abilities, helping them visualize and bring their dream images to life quickly. It is basically a synergy of human ingenuity and AI precision. AI art is democratizing creativity. AI generated NFTs also sometimes appeals to the collectors. As the AI art market continues to grow, it offers potential financial gains to those who recognize its value early. Things can get saturated. Just need to be a fast mover on this. Questions surrounding authorship, copyright, and the role of human artists in an AI dominated landscape are big topics for discussion right now. I have seen them being discussed at various places. The AI art community is actively engaging in these conversations to ensure a fair and ethical future. However, I don't like any such hindrances to development. AI amplifies human creativity, making art accessible to all and providing collectors with diverse options. AI is a new collaborator for a new era in art. AI presents a significant breakthrough for casual artists and common people alike who may not possess advanced skills. There are many automating software today that can do things in minutes which took several days in the past. AI allows arts to be created more easily and enjoyably. AI art generators are essentially just tools like traditional painting brushes, pencils, or software like Photoshop. These AI tools are designed to facilitate creative process and make it more accessible and efficient. All the in-between stuff becomes much faster. Users are in control of the AI tool and determine how it is applied. AI itself doesn't have intentions, motivations. It is a technology used to generate visual content based on algorithms and data. Many alterations to an image can be done with a digital software too, but would be time consuming. AI makes things faster and automates things, as has been done for centuries. Industrial revolution, powering factories, transportation, steam engines and more, telegraph, telephone exchanges, robotics in manufacturing, email filtering, automated stock trading, assembly lines. Automation has consistently played a pivotal role in advancing technology and simplifying tasks. The same way, AI is also automating art. However, AI art is not the death of human creativity. It demonstrates the beauty of human AI collaboration. We should not fear the rise of AI in art, but rather embrace it as a partner in the creative process. It is a tool that can amplify and extend human potential. Automations and simplifying of tasks have been happening for centuries, and this is just another one of those examples. Automation, resource conservation, innovation, increased efficiency, augmentation of human abilities, collaboration, and ultimately economic growth happens all the time. It is the same with AI. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed all these beautiful images created using AI. I hope these pixels looked pleasing to the eye. You can like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I am greatly interested in science, technology, AI, and also fiction. I will be talking about many different things on this channel. And happy making your thousands of dream images which no one in this solar system would make other than AI.